here, and this time on 4x4 Camping Channel, we're going to be doing more work on the Hilux. So basically, in this episode, we're going to aim to get this chassis and whatever the hell is left on it completely sandblasted back to metal and fully repainted so it's a nice shiny black. So by the end of this video, this chassis will hopefully be a nice shiny black, which I'm absolutely stoked to be even thinking about that. So let's get straight into it. Into our workspace, so we're going to sandblast it down. Basically, we're going to take these back wheels off. We're going to support it with an air jack because we haven't got enough axle stand. So that should be safe because we're not really working anywhere really big, so just, if it does drop, it's going to go onto the jack and it should be fine. So we'll sandblast this back and get it ready for painting basically. So get a little homemade sandblast that one of our friends has lent to us for a little while. And so yeah. So back before we actually bought this vehicle, it had actually one spin rod on its side. And on a closer inspection on this chassis, quite a few of the welds on these engine mounts and body mounts and that are actually quite dodgy, so I think they've actually cracked out and then been re-welded at some stage. And the welds are quite shoddy and dodgy. So Dad's actually quite a good welder, so we're going to basically grind these off and weld them back on with Dad's welder and tidy it up, make it a lot more strong and make Joshy laugh. Alright, so Dad's basically just finished fixing up some of the welds from this chassis, and I'm constantly impressed by his welding skills. They some of the better welds I've seen. I'll just give you a look at some of them. They're pretty neat. Check out these welds. They are some of the better welds I've seen, and Hilux is already tough. Then this chassis will be indestructible one now. So now I've got these welds done. We should pretty much be ready to sandblast. So yeah, sandblast. Get it painted, and can't wait. Just can't wait. Right, yeah. Now they've got the Hilux chassis in position. All the wheels are on it. We're going to now tape up all the inlets, so hoses, anything you don't want sand getting inside. We're going to tape up. I'm also going to wear all the necessary safety precautions. I'm going to wear safety gloves. I'm also going to wear a welding mask to prevent all the stuff looking back in your face. It's getting out quite a bit. Of course, it's 35 degrees today, but I am wearing jeans and a long sleeve shirt because it hurts quite a bit when this stuff flicks back at you. So I think we just jump straight into it. So long story short, I ended up getting rid of that so cheap sandblaster that I had because it was, to be honest, it was a piece of junk and I just couldn't get this thing done properly in any sort of reasonable time with that. So what I did, I took it up to my local sandblasting shop. I got them to sandblast it, they primed it as well. $1 million and now I'm just about to ready to start painting. So of course, got the paint already, gloss back, it's absolutely awesome. I'm priming up some of it and soon we'll be able to see the finished result. The chassis is just finished being painted and it just come up absolutely
absolutely $1 million. It looks brand new. It looks better than new. It just looks awesome. It's just nice and glossy, and just the whole thing is just really it's absolutely awesome. So up close, nice and shiny. The whole thing's just been done pretty much perfectly. There's really nothing you can really complain about with it. Absolutely everything's been done. All your drums, diffs, springs, everything all look absolutely awesome. This is coming along so well. 4 or 5 months in the making, so it's not been that way ever. Thanks to Kat for paying the touches and yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, you know what to do. Hit the like button, and see you in the next video.